Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are out here in Milton, Florida. This is 32583 zip code, and I'm going to be showing you guys 6711 Gettysburg Boulevard. You are in this extremely quiet and cute little neighborhood here. So beautiful, very peaceful. So I get to show you guys 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and just over 1,500 square feet today. You're actually at 1,586. So here we go. As you could tell by my pan in the beginning of the video, your garage is going to be a side entrance. So here is going to be the garage door. Let's just start here. 2-car garage. And this door does lead straight into the laundry and utility rooms. As you can see, you've got your washer and dryer hookups in here. And then this door can be closed off. So if you are running the washer or dryer, close that door and it will keep it quiet in the rest of the house. I already know somebody is gonna make that an extremely cute mud room. So tons of ideas. And then just parallel to the laundry room, you do have a little coat closet. So as soon as you come in through the front door or the garage, store your coats, your shoes, any of your personal belongings. And then we come into the living space area. You've got 3 large space windows there. And then you've got your entryway to the kitchen, 2 out of the 3 bedrooms. And then your primary is actually going to be a split floor plan, so it is away from the other 2 bedrooms, give you some nice privacy. So let's go ahead and just start in the kitchen. Also good to note, we've got some luxury vinyl flooring throughout. Very beautiful. And then it is going to be a different tone once we move into the kitchen here. But here we are, we've got a large bay window there. Beautiful for a little breakfast nook. You could absolutely, there we go. You could absolutely put a table to sit 6, maybe even 8, depending on where your chairs go. But all the natural lighting there and the door that leads out to your patio, just wonderful. And then flipping it around, you've got your kitchen appliances. So that's gonna be a new fridge. That is a brand new oven. You can see it still has the coating over the stainless steel on the bottom, so you can peel that off. Brand new, never used. Electric stove top and oven, smooth surface, and then you've got your built-in microwave. You also get a pantry in your kitchen, which I absolutely love. So there you are. It is those wire shelving inserts, but that is an easy fix if you're more prone to liking wood. And these countertops were just replaced a few weeks, or actually this past weekend. It is November 20th, 2024. So those countertops are laminate, brand new. And look at that backsplash detail as well, so pretty. And your stainless steel sink, of course, split sink, and your dishwasher. Love it. All right, give you guys one more look around. And then we'll continue on to the other bedrooms. So pretty. I'll be sure to take you guys outside after we finish up the interior because the backyard is so large and spacious. It's going to be perfect if you love hosting or entertaining your friends or family. If you have pets or animals, kids, I mean, it's just a beautiful backyard. But here we go into our first bedroom that we're going to look at here. I love this room. I love that the window is extended at the top with those cubed windows. The ceilings are nice and high, so it just elevates the room here. And you also get a double door closet in here as well. Open it up and show you guys. Standard wired shelving on the top. But again, you can always easily convert. This is perfect not only as a bedroom, but I think this would be a great at-home office as well because you have so much light in here, so you're not gonna feel like you're kind of in a tight cubicle. But anyways, such a great room, whether it's a bedroom, at-home office, whatever tickles your fancy. And just next door, we have our second out of the 3 bedrooms. This one is going to be a smaller window, but still letting in that beautiful light. And you are going to have a single door closet here. This depth is going to be a little bit deeper. As you see, you do get the shelving wrapped around on both sides. So it's a bit, I would actually say that's a walk-in, to be honest, because you can walk in there with ease. And then these 2 bedrooms are going to be sharing our first full bathroom. So you can see here it is a single vanity, plenty of under sink storage and cabinetry, nice large mirror. And then you're going to have the commode, which will then be preceded by the tub and shower duo here. So really nicely spaced out bathroom. Perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and take you guys back on through the living area. Give you guys another viewpoint here, so pretty. And then I'm going to show you the primary bedroom. So just before the primary, you do have a nice linen closet here. I love a linen closet. I think that is pertinent for any home, so you can store all of your bedding. All right, here we are in the primary. You've got a split window here, so I'm assuming anyone that comes in would put potentially their bed right in the center. 2 windows lead out to the backyard, so you get a beautiful backyard view. And then, of course, you have your ensuite primary bathroom. So again, these countertops in both bathrooms and the kitchen were just replaced in November of 2024. Laminate. You do have a single vanity in here. Maybe it could be potentially tapped for a second. That would be something worth looking into potentially. And then just across from your vanity, you have this gorgeous garden tub. You've got the step up in here, and then the large frosted window for privacy, but again, still lets in the natural light. That is stunning. I would probably never leave that area. And then a slight partition wall, so it closes you off with the commode there, with the window above. And then you have your shower. So this is going to be a tub and shower primary. There is a seat in there as well. And then lastly, you have your large walk-in closet here. So much you could do with this. Lots of room. And you can close that off. As you can tell, there was a door there. So you can close that off if you like it shut off from the rest of the bathroom. Okay. And finally, I'm going to take you guys out to the backyard. It is so beautiful out there. You do have a privacy fence on the entirety of your backyard. So once we walk out, you do have this patio area here. I would absolutely put either table and lounge chairs or a nice couch and coffee table out here, because how serene is this? Oh my goodness. This is what I hope for one day. Just a large backyard with all the trees. It's quiet. I mean, truly, this is so beautiful. Ugh. Okay, we'll take you around the side. So it is going to be, yep, it's closed off on this side. So that means your access point is going to be around the other corner. But that's okay. Let's show you guys as we walk over. So you do have a poured slab right here. And you have an extra large fence. So it is basically a double wide on each side, as you can see. So you could 100% park a boat or an RV here. Let me show you guys from the other angle. Yeah, look at this thing. Super long. That is great. Okay, fantastic. Well, yes. So if you've got a boat or an RV and you need a place to store it, what better place than your home? It's fantastic. All right, everyone. Again, this is 6711 Gettysburg Boulevard out here in the beautiful Milton, Florida. 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. We would love for you guys to come check this beautiful home out.